take access from on 58th Street down to so the west end of Crana Lake is closed. It's been washed out, so it's been barricaded, so there won't be any pedestrian traffic or bicycle traffic on there for quite a while.
I just want to say thank you to our crews that are working hard, and the public help, the companies that chipped in and let us use their equipment to look after this problem. To this point now, we have everything taken care of, just some localized flooding left, but as far as the big stuff, all our roads are open and things are going well. We're asking local residents to, first of all, contact their insurance providers with their water claims, and from there they'll decide whether it's insurable or not. Once that process has gone through, if it is uninsurable, you'll be obtaining a letter from your insurance broker. At that time, contact the city with that letter, and once we gather all this information, we can apply to the province for some further assistance if need be.